So future ready. You're future ready with us. Okay. Oh, jobs would be added in the industry. Good facts. Just free information. Digital disruption. Okay. So let's look for the skill assessment. Okay. What's this about? Take the test. Okay. Nice. So please select two options and you're working independently. Okay. Okay, you match 41 search required. Okay. Nice. This is interesting. Good job, man. Okay. That's something very nice. Same page. So, have I missed something? No. So, if I want to go back to, okay, skill as industry information. 3 for license industry. Yeah, I like the layout of this page. Small and easy. Crisp information, yeah. And cover drugs. Based on John Home occupation theory. Just clickable. Okay. Image. Okay. Doers. Unorganized. Good information. Yeah. Good color combination. Okay. So this is home page again. So overall, I would say the whole website is structured well. There's a good link between your home page and to the skill assessment page. Yeah. I really like the skill assessment part. Probably I would just do it just to understand how it is fun. And coming to industry information, yeah, this quick stats would it's very useful for people who want to know about healthcare industry. And good images here, plain and easy. Yeah. Good tracks. This part, yeah, you've spoken about categories and John Holland occupation theory. Okay, I have no idea on that, but yeah, good crisp description, nice and easy. Yeah, and yeah. Overall, I really enjoyed going through the website. The skill assessment was really something I would look up to, and good stats and information. Coming to the images, probably this one, the image looks a bit not user friendly. Yeah, and I might be lost in the page. If probably if I want to go back, just scroll up and that's a pain point. And good info here. This is good, really good. Okay. Yeah. So coming to the information part, probably I might. This is more text. I might probably want to have crisp information, just like this. Some more. Yeah. And I may not have this icon with this because it's again confusing. Always, I might just not have this and just have who are organizers. That would make everything easier, look easier, relatable. Who are doers, yeah. Same thing with every category. Yeah. And I might also have the other menu pages down here so that I can navigate through easily rather than just going up and through the other pages. Yeah, good effort. Looks really good.